Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will see how will we add, subtract, multiply or divide the two variables in Python language. It is very easy and we can see it clearly. I've opened my notebook, Jupyter notebook. Now, first of all, we have to understand the variables. So variable are the elements which store values. So like that, suppose my first variable is a equals to, let's suppose give any value to 8. Now b equals to 9. Now what should I do? I have to add them together. So what should I do? I will do this in print statement. I will write print, and what I am going to do, I am going to do addition. So I am just closing it like addition. Now why it is necessary? Because I want to tell you people that I am doing addition. If I will present any number, you will not be able to see what function was done behind. So in order to aware everyone what is going on here, so everything which is in inverted commas print as it is. So I have put addition in inverted commas. Now what I want to add the variables. So what should I do? I will add them together like a plus b. This is the syntax which we use in Python to add two variables. Now we will see what will happen the result. As you see, that addition which is in inverted commas, it will come like this. Inverted commas, everything will come like what it is present. Now we will see that two variables a and b, when we add them, we will see that what is the sum? 8 plus 9 will become 17, as we know that. Now if I want to do subtraction, what should I do? It is the same process as in addition, but the operator will be changed, like a equals to 9, b equals to 4. Now I want to subtract. Print inverted commas subtraction inverted comma close a minus b. Now let's see what happens. Subtraction has been printed and 9 minus 4 is 5, so the result is 5. Now if I want to do multiplication, then what should I do? It is a very basic process like addition, subtraction. A equals to 9, b equals to 4. Now I want to print inverted commas multiplication inverted commas close comma a multiply b. Now let's see what happened with the result. As you know, 9 4s are 36, so it will multiply. So as you see that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division will be very easy task in Python. So now if we want to do division, then a equals to 4, b equals to 2. Now print division a divided by b. So let's see what will happen with the result. As you see, the result is 2. 2 divided by 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now the point of concern is that the four operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are very basic and easy to do in Python, as we have done it right now. Now what happens if the number is not specified or the variable is not specified, or you have to input the variable? What do you mean by it? Let's see here. Now if I want to do what user input, so what is user input? Basically, let's suppose a, the value of a has not been defined, it depends upon the user, like int. Everything that is the number without decimal place, it will store into the integer. So I am placing my data type integer here because I don't want to store my number in float. It means I don't want to place my number with decimal points. So integer input, enter any number. invite comma close. So print a. Let's see what happened with the result. As you saw that the input variable asks the user to do to what, to give any kind of input, a number. So I have put number 4. Then as you see that the number 4, I have put the number 4 and it stores into the variable a. Then afterwards I print the variable a, so it means I have printed 4. Now if I want to do the addition or subtraction by using this method, I mean by using which kind of method? By using this method of user define. So let's see what happens now. Let's suppose I have a variable c equals to integer. Integer are basically those data type in which the value are stored without decimal places. So I am clearing it here. Input, enter any number, inverted comma close. Next, d equals to, I want to add another variable, it is integer, so input, enter any number. Now what do you want? You want to add them, so print addition, because we are doing addition here, c plus d. Then let's see what will happen with the result. It asks me the first number, which is c, so it asks me to enter any number for c. I am giving it 3. Now it asks me for the variable d. I am giving it to 7. And see what will happen with the result. Now as you see that c is 3 and d is 7. Now the result will be, as we know, the result will be 10, and it has been seen that the result has 10. So it means that you can do this basic mathematical operations by using user defined variables. So now if you want to do multiplication, division, subtraction, you can do this method. I'm not involving any kind of more further illustration in it. Now what happen if I will give my data type float? Float are those data type in which we use decimal places. Although we can use decimal place in integer as well. In Python allow us typecasting, but for the premier and for the good knowledge, it is the main concern that any kind of decimal place should be, if you are using any kind of decimal place, then you will use float in replace of the integer. So I hope I have cleared this concept. Now you can make calculators of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division by using input methods. So that's it for today. I hope you have cleared about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and about input of the variables. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment sections. Thank you so much.